Health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is apple juice that has been fermented twice. First, crushed apples are mixed with yeast, sugar, or another carbohydrate. After a few weeks, natural bacteria and yeasts ferment the juice, changing the carbohydrates into alcohol. Then, a second fermentation process changes the alcohol into acetic acid, and now you have apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has a long history as a home remedy, used to treat things like sore throat and varicose veins. There isn't much science to support the claims. But in recent years, some researchers have been taking a closer look at apple cider vinegar and its possible benefits. Apple cider vinegar is a natural laxative and it can improve digestion, lowers blood sugar levels, improves insulin sensitivity, increases satiety and helps people to lose weight, reduces belly fat, lowers cholesterol, lowers blood pressure and improves heart health, prevents and decreases the risk of getting cancer and slows down the growth of cancer cells. Apple cider vinegar contains magnesium, iron, phosphorus, manganese, amino acids, antioxidants, only 3 calories per tablespoon. High in healthful substances. Apple cider vinegar is made by fermenting the sugar from apples. This turns them into acetic acid, which is a main active ingredient in vinegar and may be responsible for its health benefits. May help lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetes. Apple cider vinegar has shown great promise in improving insulin sensitivity and helping lower blood sugar responses after meals. As a deodorizer, apple cider vinegar is known to have antibacterial properties. Because of this, it's often claimed that apple cider vinegar can eliminate bad smells. Using apple cider vinegar for skin and hair. Apple cider vinegar. Using apple cider vinegar can also improve skin appearance and hair health. Treats and reduces the prevalence of acne, treats and soothes sunburn, has anti-aging properties, improves hair health, combats hair tangles, reduces hair frizz, seals the hair cuticles and help the hair to retain moisture, treats dandruff. May boost skin health. Apple cider vinegar is naturally acidic and has antimicrobial properties. This means it could help improve the skin barrier and prevent infections. However, more studies are needed to know how safe and effective this remedy is. A common dosage for apple cider vinegar ranges from 1 teaspoon to 2 tablespoons 10 to 30 ml per day, either used in cooking or mixed in a glass of water. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more exciting videos.